For this activity, all you're going to need is pine cones, a clear ornament, or a recycled jar, garland, styrofoam, and of course, some wonderful winter books. Hey guys, so today we're going to make two different types of snow globes. One using a clear ornament and another using a recycled jar. Go ahead and smash that like and subscribe button if you enjoy getting resources for young children. First, you're going to get the styrofoam and you and your little one will begin to crumble it. After you're done crumbling it, for the ornament snow globe, you're going to encourage your little one to place the crumbled styrofoam into the snow globe and feel free to add a picture. Next, you're going to get your jar snow globe and add the crumbled styrofoam. And you can add the pine cones and the garland and any other nature items that you feel would look great. Afterwards, begin shaking and exploring and talking about winter. End this activity with winter books and more. Question of the day. Have you ever made snow before? If you've made it in a different way, let me know in the chat below. And if you've never made snow, you can find out another way to make snow checking out one of our latest videos. Otherwise, if you're not a Brown Bear Book Club member, you can sign up freely and I send some really fun resources all the time, at least a couple of times throughout the month, but I do not overload your mailbox. Otherwise, I'll see you guys another time, and it's Christmas in a few days, so Merry Christmas, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.